Okay, I'm just going to go over this video here to sort of help us with um, our warm up. This also goes over the back of 7F when we have like two tangents here forming an angle on the outside of a circle, and we got to try to find what these two arcs are. And so fourth period we did this yesterday, but just to review, we're going to have to do a system of equations. Okay, so um, right here I have a 50-degree angle with two tangents, and so I have two arcs. I'm going to just call this arc X right here. I'm going to call this outside arc Y right there. Okay, so two variables. Usually with two variables we think that we can't solve it, but in this case we can, because we can make two separate equations. Okay, we know, and I'm just going to put the first one off to the side, that X plus Y equals 360, because those are the two arcs that make up the full circle. Okay, so we know that X plus Y equals 360. Okay, now we also know that 50 degrees is the angle on the outside of the circle. Okay, and so we know that if we take the two arcs and we subtract them, so we have, y minus x divided by 2, okay, it equals 50 degrees, because the two arcs, you subtract them, divide by 2 to get the angle. Okay, so first thing that I'm going to do is we'll times it by 2 here to sort of get this thing out. Okay, and so now we have, y minus x equals 100. Okay, y minus x equals 100. I'm going to rewrite this equation, the x plus y equals 360, to y plus x equals 360. Same thing. All right, so now down here we have y plus x equals 360. Okay, now what we have is a system of equations. Okay, so I have y minus x equals something and y plus x equals something else. And what we're going to do with these systems of equations, we're going to add them together. This is called elimination. You should have done this in Algebra 1. All right, so we combine the two equations together. So I'll add the y's. Y plus y is 2y. Negative x plus x is 0x. That's why we do elimination, because it cancels itself out. 100 plus 360 is 460. So we're left with 2y equals 460. All right. So since 2y equals 460, all right, we divide each side by 2, and y is equal to 230. Okay. So the y arc is going to be 230 degrees. Okay. To find the other arc x, well, we know that they add up to 360, right? So we can just do 360 minus 230. To get the x right here. So that x arc is 130 degrees. Okay, so the system of equations is sort of how you set it up. So you could sort of use this for the bottom two problems here on 7F, and also for the discussion question warm up. And that is it. Let me know if you have any questions, and you have a good day.